Hi.
Why don't you tell us about yourself?
Okay. So my name is Nik Kocina. I'm a senior here at Harare International School, and I'm taking higher level IB physics.
Yana, here's some questions that I would like to ask you from my friend Nick, who wants to know a little bit about Albert Einstein and a little bit about what you think and what you know about Albert Einstein. So his first question is, how has Albert Einstein's relativity theories changed modern day life, in your opinion?
I think one of the main changes that has happened is just people's attitudes and what they think of when they hear the word physics. You know, people don't think of physics as simple Newtonian action-reaction physics anymore. When they hear the word physics, they think of atomic physics and astronomy and the more complicated abstract stuff. And I think that's because of Einstein's theory. Now people know that things aren't as they seem, and his theory helped make that more widely known.
Do you think Einstein's theories will ever be broken or changed due to new discoveries, and why?
I'm not completely sure about broken, but definitely changed. I think that because of the nature of science, it's almost impossible to have a theory that stays exactly the same throughout the history of civilization. New discoveries are always going to come in and change the theory, so he's not infallible, not like, yeah.
Right. Okay, well, I'll tell you what, here's one, it's an opinion question. Nick wants to know, what do you think, in your personal opinion, led Albert to his discovery?
I think it was the fact that he was working as a patent clerk. It was such a mundane, sort of mind-numbing job, and his mind didn't have to be focused on his everyday career. He could think about other stuff while he was doing whatever it was that he was working on.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Is there anything else you wanted to mention? I'm just curious, what is it that might intrigue you about Einstein, if anything does?
I think the most intriguing thing about Einstein is the speed at which he became so famous. Like, I think that, you know, there are a lot of scientists out there who made just as revolutionary discoveries, but he seems to have sort of escalated to the point of a celebrity in everyday civilization. I think that's interesting.
Okay, great. Those are great. All right, Nick, we're going to send this to you via YouTube. We're on camera, and tell us about yourself.
Okay, well, my name is Samuel. I'm a senior at Harare International School in Zimbabwe. Yeah, I'm also an IB physics student, and I love physics.
Okay, let me ask you a question about Albert Einstein. In your opinion, how do you think people acted to the theory of Einstein's relativity before it was a proven theory?
Well, I think like any other theory, before it's proven, they all thought it was garbage, like it was rubbish. No one actually believed in it.
Okay, how do you think people reacted to the theory when it was proven, and that was proven that the theory appeared to be correct?
I think they were glad in a way, because it sort of explained different things and why things behaved the way they did. It also proved Planck's constant. And, yeah.
Okay. Do you think the theory is plausible? Do you think the theory is still an important theory?
Yeah, I think it is, because it also, in a way, proves kind of how the universe kind of started out, like with the Big Bang Theory and everything. It makes it plausible in the way that, you know, since the Big Bang Theory is talking about an explosion of energy, and energy has its mass times the speed of light, yeah, it somewhat helps us to understand how the universe began. So,
Okay, anything else you want to add? Okay, great. Thanks, Joshua. Cool. All right, we're going to YouTube this baby.